on a street in Fallujah, pinned down by RPGs. They were running low on hope and faith and full magazines. As he rode around that corner, my deuce in both hands, he sprayed fire and he sprayed vengeance. It was insurgency's last stand. The operation, it moved forward. The objective was achieved. Tag the bodies of their enemies a day closer till they leave. See their wives and their families and the lives they left behind. They fight for those who can or won't, and it fills my heart with pride. Not for glory, but for honor. Not for any other reason than what's right. They stand before us. They are the godland that protects us from the evils in the night. And they live by a code we know as Simplify. From the swamps of Paris Island to the San Diego sun, they stand on yellow footprints where their journey has begun. Like the men who stood before them, their quest is filled with strife. They fight, they laugh, they live, they pray, share a brotherhood for life. If you truly love this nation, then I'll say this loud and clear. Why don't you just shut up and let them fight? 'Cause your whining hurts my ears. You say peace is patriotic from your reclining easy chair, but you made them fight their missions to keep you liberals happy here. Not for glory, but for honor. Not for any other reason than what's right. They stand before us. They are the godland that protects us from the evils in the night. And they live by a code we know as Simplify. So I say give them hell with all you got. Let the politicians rot. Fight to win the battle royal. You're the only chance we've got. When the fight is won and you come home, you can spit right in their eye. 'Cause once again the call resounds with a heart of Simplify. Not for glory, but for honor. We thank you for your sacrifice of life. Though you're far from us, you're not forgotten. Your selflessness fills my heart with pride. And we salute the code you live by, Simplify. And we salute the code you live by, Simplify.